So parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. We can take one images of mechanical components. It has a 3 sectional plan. First one is a vertical plan, inclined vertical section plan, auxiliary plan. In vertical plan section, we see the objectives. So we focus on the objectives. So the blue color highlighted VP, red color highlighted HP. Horizontal plan. So in this plan, we looking the images in the front view or elevations. It show appear the highlighted in the objects HT. So this is a elevations. Okay, this is a plan. In inclined vertical section is a VP, HP, slightly inclined. Object rest on the HP, that means a flat. The axis perpendicular to VP. The step by step procedures. First we draw the top view, that means a true shape. Object is parallel to HP. The top view show the actual shape. Project front view. Project vertically from the top view. Height representation appear in front view for 3D visualizations. Use isometric projection. Keep base on the horizontal plan. Modify the component, holes, cut section, thread, etc. in the top view first. Transfer the details to front view. Ensure the alignment of projection. Finally, we get the section of true shape. So project the lines in vertical directions, connected each lines as per the dimensions. This is an inclined highlighted by the blue colors. This is a top view of the images. A plus. The value of these sections 60. So this is a examples of 3D view modified the component section by the plan parallel to HP. So each colors explain there the details and properties of the component. The examples 3D view. This is a 3D view of cylinder section by the plan inclined to VP. The material legends highlighted in these sections. The product name and usages highlighted in the box. So these are the examples of 3D mechanical components parallel to HP and